Imagine a world where PDFs are no longer a daunting task to manage, but an effortless experience. Welcome to the future with Wondershare PDFelement, the AI-powered PDF tool that's revolutionizing document management. Picture this: you're buried under stacks of dense reports, struggling with manual edits that eat hours, risking errors in translations, and exposing sensitive data during redaction. These villains, time-wasting workflows, inaccurate tools, and security nightmares have plagued students, researchers, and professionals for years. But Wondershare PDFelement bursts in as the ultimate hero, armed with cutting-edge AI to conquer them all. From instantly summarizing epics to chatting across multiple files, this tool turns chaos into clarity. I've explored countless PDF editors, but PDFelement's seamless integration stands out in 2025. Ready to transform your document game? Let's embark on this journey through its incredible features. Traditional PDF handling is a battlefield. Endless scrolling through pages, botched grammar fixes, lost in translation mishaps, and risky manual redactions exposing confidential info. These villains drain productivity, spike errors by 30%, and cost businesses millions in inefficiencies. In 2025, ignoring AI means falling behind. Competitors are automating workflows, boosting accuracy, and scaling effortlessly. Wondershare PDFelement isn't just an editor, it's your AI ally, slashing edit times by 90%, ensuring precision, and safeguarding data. With features like batch processing and multi-model AI, it redefines efficiency. But hold on, the real magic starts with its core AI tools. If you're still grinding manually, you're missing out on a revolution. Enter AI Summarize, the hero that condenses massive documents into bite-sized insights. Select text or the whole PDF, click the AI sidebar, and Lumi generates an abstract key points and keywords in seconds, cutting reading time to a fraction. No more drowning in details. Get overviews for reports or studies instantly. Benefits? Saves hours for researchers poring over literature reviews. Use case. A student summarizes a 100-page thesis into essentials for quick prep. It's like having a personal analyst. Shocked? Wait till you see how it handles multiple PDFs. Now, chat with multiple PDFs elevates interaction. Upload several files, query across them via Lumi, and get unified answers. Switch between AI models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Gemini for tailored responses. How it works: ask, compare key findings in these reports, and it cross-references seamlessly. Benefits: boosts collaboration, ideal for professionals juggling contracts. Use case: a lawyer chats with client docs to spot inconsistencies without flipping tabs. This villain slayer banishes scattered searches. Feels revolutionary? Next, translation magic awaits. AI. Translate conquers language barriers, supporting 75 languages with batch options for full PDFs. Select text, choose languages, and get accurate context-aware conversions, far superior to basic tools. It preserves formatting, ensuring professional outputs. Benefits: accelerates global workflows, reducing errors in multilingual projects. Use case: researchers translate foreign studies instantly for international teams. No more waiting on translators. It's your polyglot sidekick. But grammar villains lurk. Enter the checker, AI grammar check, or proofread. Scans for spelling, punctuation, and structure flaws directly in the PDF. No exports needed. Highlight text, hit proofread in the sidebar, and Lumi suggests fixes for polished results. Benefits: enhances readability, perfect for error-free reports. Use case: professionals refine business proposals, catching subtle mistakes that impress clients. It's the editor you always needed. Secure your secrets next with Smart Redact. Smart Redact, the security sentinel, auto-detects and conceals sensitive info like names or numbers with pinpoint accuracy. Select areas, apply AI, and it redacts irreversibly while maintaining document integrity. Benefits: prevents data leaks, compliant with privacy laws. Use case: HR pros redact employee files before sharing, saving manual scrutiny. This hero shields against exposure risks, and there's more. Rewrite for originality. AI. Rewrite rephrases text to dodge plagiarism while keeping meaning intact. Input content, choose style, and get fresh versions instantly. Benefits: ideal for academics ensuring unique work. Use case: writers transform drafts into original pieces for publications. Effortless creativity boost. Curious about content origins? AI. Detect steps in. AI Detect integrates GPT-0 to spot AI-generated text in PDFs, flagging potential inauthenticity. Upload and scan for probabilities. Benefits: verifies document genuineness. Use case: educators check student submissions for originality. Transparency in an AI world. Scale it all with batch tools. Batch processing supercharges efficiency. Convert, sign, crop, or translate multiple PDFs at once. Plus, generate presentations, mind maps, or markdown from PDFs in one click. Benefits: handles bulk tasks for enterprises. Use case: teams process quarterly reports en masse. This wraps the AI arsenal. Your workflow transformed. Wondershare PDFelement banishes PDF villains, empowering seamless management with AI smarts. Rated 4.8 out of 5 by millions, it's the 2025 essential for productivity. From summarizing epics to secure redaction, you've seen the power. Will you join the revolution before everyone else? Subscribe for more AI insights, like and share this video, and grab my referral link below for a free trial plus 20% off. Head to pdfwondershare.com. Your effortless PDF era starts now. Don't let daunting docs hold you back.